United States President Donald Trump's new Gold Card visa, offering US citizenship in exchange for a direct $5 million payment, has sparked a major debate. The program, which aims to replace EB-5 investor visa, has been promoted just as a way to fast-track permanent residency in the US, and that too without the lengthy process or any job creation requirement. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick claims that 1,000 gold cards are sold every single day, and the Trump administration believes that they could sell up to millions of these visas. However, a closer look at global reaction suggests that the rich may not be as eager to buy these kind of schemes as the US government claims. According to Lutnick, the idea for the gold card came out of a meeting between Donald Trump and the investor, John Paulson. It was then developed further with the help of Lutnick and even Elon Musk, on reportedly involved in building the software for the application process. The gold card could also allow buyers to stay in the US indefinitely with a green card like rights to. After that, they will also have an option to apply for citizenship, though many might avoid it during a US taxation policy. Trump has emphasized that there will be no cap on the number of gold cards that are issued, unlike the EB-5 visa, which is currently limited to 18,786 approvals every single year. While the Trump administration represents the gold card as an attractive opportunity, global billionaires are skeptical. The EB-5 visa, which this program aims to replace, requires a minimum investment of $1.05 million. And it also mandates job creation. The gold card, in comparison to that, demands a straightforward $5 million payment to the US government without requiring investors to contribute to the economy through job creation. This raises a major question. Will ultra-wealthy individuals be willing to pay 5 times more just for a fast-track green card? Or is the US government inflating the demand? In fact, one of the media houses that interviewed 18 billionaires from around the globe, and 13 of them said that they had no interest in the gold card. Shocking, right? A Canadian billionaire dismissed the need for such a program, saying that if you are a billionaire, you don't need it. A Russian businessman was equally doubtful, stating that I do not understand who will pay $5 million for this. Indian billionaire Abhay Soi, chairman of India's second largest hospital chains, was even more direct. I don't want to be a citizen of any country other than India anytime, particularly in this century. Now, this growing resistance suggests that the ultra-rich may not see the US as the ultimate safe haven that it was once. On the other hand, the Trump administration insists that the demand is real. If the claim that 1,000 gold cards are sold every single day is actually accurate, it would mean that the US has already made $5 billion per day from this particular program. But is there any concrete proof? Now, critics say that no official sales figure has been released, and no high-profile billionaires have publicly confirmed their purchases. This has led many to speculate that the numbers are actually exaggerated just to create artificial demand. Well, the debate continues. Is Trump's gold card a brilliant new pathway to attract foreign wealth? Or is it just a marketing stunt designed to give the illusion of success? If billionaires truly had an interest, why are so many of them rejecting it outright? At the very same time, if the US is exaggerating sales, why hasn't anybody exposed the numbers? As the world watches, the gold card remains a mystery, one that could redefine how America approaches immigration for the ultra-rich.